How to go incognito on Google Chrome. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video very carefully because I will teach you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go! So actually, this trick works on all of the devices. It can work on the PC, on your Android phone, or also on your iPhone phone if you have Google Chrome installed in it. So in order to go incognito, what you need to do is to just click on Google Chrome itself on your device. Then after that, on the upper right corner, you will see these three dots right here. So what you need to do is to just click that, and in there you can see the option for new tab or a new incognito tab. So in order to start an incognito, just click on this new incognito tab right here, and you should be able to go into the incognito mode on Google Chrome. So basically, incognito mode is something that will allow you to browse sites without saving the history, the cache, or the cookies. It is very useful if you don't want someone else tracking your history, and it is very safe, and most browsers like Brave browsers, Safari, and Opera Firefox also have this filter. But in this video, we only tackle Google Chrome. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to go incognito on Google Chrome. If you have questions or comments, just kindly put them down below and comment it. And make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.